Okay. So we have learned about how to read and write our script. In our previous classes, we have learned how to write a script, how to read a script. We have learned many type of errors. Uh, Most commonly is function not found, object not found, and x must be numeric. And so on. So today our topic is editing. We have learned about 30% reading and editing of our codes. But in our today class, we learn editing, but for editing, reading and writing skill is very important. If you don't know how to write a script, how to read a script, you are unable to do editing. So for editing, it is very compulsory. You will be able to do read and write our script. No, please let me know if you have any confusion or any uh, misunderstanding, or you can say if you are unable to understand about reading and writing, you can ask question. Otherwise, I think I need to move the next step. Because editing is very important step. Without reading and writing, you are unable to do editing. What is editing? Editing mean, sorry, first I want to say some more about R. We are learning, we want to learn here data analysis. Similarly, when you buy a new car, you want to learn its driving, not its engineering, because engineering is not our work. Similarly, when you want to perform data analysis, you need to learn how to perform data analysis, not how to write, how to create a code, how to produce a code, because coding is not our task. Our task is how to run this code. Lot of coding, even thousands or millions of codes are available for data analysis on different websites. And the most popular website is GitHub. You can get each and every code from GitHub. But when you are unable to read this code, unable to write this code, unable to edit this code, you will be unable to do data analysis. So for getting or working on this code, you need to learn these three skills, that is reading, writing, and editing. So now let's start. For editing, we need first our task. For example, we want to do perform dendrogram in our ficus dataset. So here the first step is import ficus dataset. Import ficus dataset. No, I have import this file, that is ficus. So please you import and type them. Okay. Now we want to draw a dendrogram. No, we need a journal code or script or formula from where we get the script or code for dendrogram. So I already discussed or described lot of websites are available from where you get the code for a specific analysis. And the most popular website is the GitHub, from where you get each and every code for R and Python. So please open website, Google Chrome, and type here dendrogram visualization in R. Please type dendrogram visualization in R. The first website, that is STHDA. It shows that a beautiful dendrogram visualization in R 5 plus noun methods. So click this website. I also share it. Shared in group. Please open this website and just go through this website. Check here, you can find a plots and script, code, script, plot. Just explore this complete website and see type of plots. It is a very basic website for learning purpose, although a lot of advanced websites are available which provide you latest type of dendrograms. This is a very basic plots and is very important for learning stage. Okay. Now we need to read this website. It's showing that beautiful dendrogram visualization in R 5 plus must known methods, unsupervised machine learning. So a variety of the functions exist in R for visualizing and customizing dendrogram. The aim of this article is to describe 5 plus methods for drawing a beautiful dendrogram using our software. So in this website, you will be able to do or learn 5 methods which you can use for dendrogram. So the first method is we started by computing hierarchical clustering using the dataset US arrest. Now, the first step is Dr. Zahirul Islam, can you see my screen? I think the ad are in your screen. Please close. Ad is in your screen, not in my screen. Please close this ad. Ad is in your screen. Uh, have you removed advertisement? I think it is not in my screen. It is in your screen. Please close your screen. Please close your Google Chrome and open Zoom. You are seeing your Google Chrome, not my screen. Please close it and open Zoom meeting, not Google Chrome. Okay. So the first method is hierarchical clustering. For hierarchical clustering, we use this script, copy this script. Now we are going to edit this script according to our data set or according to our file. Yes, you will learn a study area map. Okay. Here is the first step. Please read carefully. It's showing that load data US arrest. But in our case, we have data set name ficus, not US arrest. We want to perform dendrogram on ficus, not US arrest dataset, because website is using US arrest dataset, and we have a file name ficus. So we don't need, and we already have load our dataset by using read Excel package, import dataset from Excel, and it is showing in screen number 3. So delete this line. No, our next step is create distance. One more important thing is that for dendrogram, we need two things. One is distance matrix, and after distance matrix, we will apply HC, hierarchical clustering on distance matrix. We will apply, but distance matrix is created from ficus file. Now this is a sequence. First we have a ficus file. On ficus file, from ficus file we get distance matrix, and from distance matrix we will get HC. Sir, 1 minute please. I will you do these steps, and I come back within 2 minutes. Very sorry. Okay. Now we need for dendrogram, we need these steps. First, we need a ficus file or our data set. On data set, we apply distance matrix. On distance metric, we will apply HC, hierarchical clustering. So the first step is create distance matrix. This is the function, basic function. If I type here after editing, here is it is editing. I copy the code from website. Now I am going to edit this code. Type dist. This is a basic function of stat. It is the function of stat. So we don't need any package or library for this function because it is already installed within R, and it is the basic function of R. So we don't need to install our library. Dist, within this type scale, you can also scale or use scale or without a scale, and type here your data name ficus. Here is the US rest. It is the data set name the author used in this website. But in our case, we have the file name ficus. So we need to type here ficus. So it is the editing. I edit or replace US rest with ficus. It is the editing. So what is the scale? Scaling mean if you have a different scale in your data set, for example, if you have used centimeter here, here you have used millimeter, here you have used feet, or here you have millimeter, centimeter. Please let me explain. It is our last, no, no, it is our, these are our basic classes. We have 6 to 8 classes. I think we have 2 more weeks. It is, we are here in very basic stage. Please have, let me know, have you done this step? Okay, sorry, sorry, sorry. Very sorry. Uh, you have done this step. Okay, sorry. Actually, I think I forget or I take the classes of another batch. So very sorry. Okay. Last, please let me know what we have done in our last class. Which analysis we have performed. By using ChatGPT. Okay. I think we have do basic for use of STR. If I am okay, I am right. I have teach you about use of STR plus ChatGPT. Yes, I'm right. Please let me know. Hello, sir. Are you hearing me? I have opened your mic.
Yes, sir.
Sir, very sorry. I think um, I have done STR plus ChatGPT. I'm right? Or any other analysis we have done?
We created dendrogram last week using ChatGPT.
Okay. We have you used function str, ficus? Have you used this? Yes or no?
I think we have done it,
No.
or maybe it was the basic class, and right now you are doing the
Okay.
advanced.
So no, okay, no issue. Now we will start from here. So if you want to use ChatGPT or AI tool for data analysis, use of AI tools for data analysis in R. So to use AI tool, you need STR of your dataset. STR means structure of your dataset. So all participants please do STR. STR means structure of dataset. Structure. So run this code. When you run, you will get this code. It's showing that str. It indicates that your file postmortem or your file grammar. It's showing that the first variable petal width is numeric and num mean numeric. Petal width also petal length, sepal length are also numeric, but the species as C, it is a CHR. It means it is a character. It also showing that 150 rows and 5 variable, 150 observations and 5 columns are variables. So it is the structure of your data set. So when you want to use ChatGPT or AI tools for data analysis, you need STR of your data set. So copy this STR, copy and open ChatGPT. Paste here and write a line. I want to perform heat map in R. Please write script. No, I gave its general instruction, but when you specify type of heat map, which correlation you want to show in heat map or any other information, then it will specify your analysis. No, I gave its general instruction. It will give me in the plot or by default plot or analysis. So send message. No, ChatGPT give me the a script for heat map. Copy the script and paste in R and run this code. Library. It's showing me this error. So if it show that VR1 not found. So if this type of error shown, copy this error and again paste it within chat and run. No, it's showing that the error you encountered suggests that the meld function did not produce the expected variable name VR1, VR2 and values in the melted data frame. This can occur if the version of the reshape 2 or the specific of how melt was called might differ. Let correct this by explicitly naming the melted data column or by using an alternative approach that ensure these variables names are generated as expected. So he gave us a new scripts. Copy and replace. Now I need to run also this code. It also showing me that no ID variables using all as measure variables. So I need to mention here, please use feed map package for heat map and run. Now it gave me a new script. Again, select and replace and run. Now it's working. It create a heat map for me just in a few minutes. Copy it and paste it within group. Oh, sorry. 24. No, please you share screen one by one. So next analysis I will perform on your screen. Please share your screen one by one. Please open your mic. Please open ChatGPT. Type here within chat. I want to create heat map by using the package feed map by using package feed PHEAT feed map. Please write script and send message. No. He create a plot by using feed map function. Copy, open R, paste here. First library, feed map, line up, please run line number 14. It's showing error, you don't have package feed map. So you need to install this package. Come on package, install, please press button install. You don't have this package. Feed map, today it is also showing in Chinese. Okay, now it have created a feed map. Now again come on screen number 4. Sorry, screen number ChatGPT. Type here, thanks. Give it specific information. Thanks, I need heat map with dendrogram. And run. Now copy this code. Paste and run. Yes. Copy it and share it within group. Now if you want to change font size, you can also change. You can change its color. You can also change this color. Okay. Now again come on ChatGPT. Type here, thanks. And now I want to draw PCA biplot. PCA by BI by BI biplot and send message. Run this code. Okay. Now again open ChatGPT. Type here, thanks. Now I want to perform card diagram. Card, CHORD, card diagram. And run, send message. Okay, Copy this code and paste it within R. Load circleize. You don't have package circleize, so first you need to install. Copy package and install button. Paste here and rest button install. Okay. You have done. Copy it and share it within group. And no place. Again, open ChatGPT. Type here, I want to perform network analysis. Send message. Copy and you need a package name iGraph. Please run library iGraph. First run library iGraph. Yes. No, run this step. And type run line number 58. It's showing that it is taking some raw data, not your ficus file data. So see line number 52. It's showing that create a simple graph and data is C, A, B, C. This data set is not available in our ficus file. So ignore it and open ChatGPT. Type here, I want to perform structural equational model, structural equational model, equational, equation, EQ, equation, yes, EQU, ATI, equational model on above given str dataset. Str name ficus. Oh, okay. Okay, no issue. Check please. Okay. Copy this, paste it within R and run this code. You need this package. So copy it and install this package. Okay, run next code. Apply fit model. Summary. Copy this error. From above, take it, copy it from fit the model from to bottom. Fit, yes, okay. And copy it and paste it in within chat. And send message. Now copy this code. Again paste and run. Okay. No, I think we need to change our data set for this type of analysis. Please again take str, take str, str, ficus, run, copy, open ChatGPT, paste and write a line below. I want to check the effect of species on other numeric variables. Please, I want to perform structural equivalent modeling. I want to perform structural equivalent model. ओके अब इसको रन करें प्लीज राइट और स्क्रिप्ट copy this error and from fit the model. Yes, and paste within chat. Paste here and send message. First, please read instruction. What is it saying? Please at the top instructions. Yes. It seems there is an issue with the measurement model specification. The error latent variables petal width cannot be measured by itself, indicating that the measurement model for the latent variable petal width is not correctly specified. Let's revise the measurement model to include the measurement of the latent variable using the observed variable. Here is the revised model specification. Okay, please show me below instructions. In this revised model specification, the measurement model specifies the relationship between the latent variable and their indicator, and the structural model specifies the relationship between the latent variables themselves and the effect of species variable. Okay, please copy the script and run now. Copy. Hit. It's also showing error. So I think we need to first calculate its mean value and then apply structural equivalent model on this dataset, because this dataset is not for all type of analysis. Okay, we need to change our dataset or need other data for this type of analysis, or we need to modify our dataset according to this need or requirement. So again, open ChatGPT. Say thanks. I want to perform linear regression. Linear regression analysis or model. And send message. Copy. Paste and run. Please run line number 140. And 143. Okay, it gives you the regressions model results. Again, open ChatGPT. Say thanks. And please also draw its plot. Also draw its plot. And send message. Copy. And run this code. No, please, you need to perform lot of analysis, uh, perform each and every analysis which you have in your mind according to your research, according to your thesis, according to your articles, and check the results. Okay. No, thanks, please. In our next class, we will perform use website plus AI tools. We will combine website and AI tool for data analysis. And thanks all participants. Allah Hafiz.